Imagine you have been waiting for years to get a US green card under EB-4 visa category. You have done everything right, filed the paperwork, followed all the rules, and you were really hopeful about your chances. Then, suddenly, the US government announces that no more EB-4 visas will be issued for the entire year 2025. This is a shocking news that has left thousands of Indian applicants uncertain about their future and wondering what are they going to do next. The EB-4 visa is a very special type of employment-based green card that is mostly given to religious workers, such as Hindu priests, Sikh priests, and Christian missionaries. Along with them, it is also given to certain special immigrants, such as employees of international organizations and international broadcasters as well, such as journalists working for US-based media outlets. Many Indians, particularly those working in temples, gurdwaras, churches, and mosques across the US, rely on this visa to legally work and settle in the country. Now, due to visa limits set by the US immigration law, the government has completely stopped issuing EB-4 green cards for the entire fiscal year 2025. The year which runs from October 2024 to September 2025. This means that no new EB-4 applications will be processed until October 1st, 2025. When the new year 2026 starts, then only is the time when they are going to get it. The reason behind this decision is that the US places a cap on the number of employment-based green card issued each year. EB-4 category gets only 7.1% of the total employment-based visas, and for 2025 fiscal year, this quota has already been exhausted. As a result, even those who applied earlier will not receive their green cards this year. For Indian applicants, this announcement is a major setback. If you were hoping to get your EB-4 visas, you will now have to wait until at least October 2025. US embassies and consulates have also been ordered to stop processing EB-4 applications, which means that even if you had an appointment scheduled, it will no longer be forwarded. This will also lead to longer wait times in the coming years, as more applications will now be stuck in the backlog. This development is specifically really concerning for Indian religious workers, many of whom were hoping to secure legal work permits in the US. With EB-4 visas suspended for the entire year, Indian applicants may have to consider alternative visa options. Some possible alternatives which include EB-1 visa, which is kind of meant for highly skilled professionals, executives, or outstanding professors. Or they can also apply for EB-2 or EB-3 visas, which are for skilled workers and professionals. Let me tell you, H-1B visa is another possible route for those who qualify under employer-sponsored work programs. Additionally, those with close family members in the US who are citizens may explore family-sponsored green card option. Although this news is really disappointing, EB-4 visa will become available again starting October 1st, 2025, when the new fiscal year 2026 quota opens up. At that point of time, US embassies and consulates will resume processing applications, and those who have been waiting will have another chance to apply. However, the demand is expected to be very high, so it is very important to be very prepared and act quickly when the visa process reopens. For now, if you are an Indian applicant affected by this unexpected suspension, the best course of action is to consult an immigration lawyer to explore other visa options and stay updated with US immigration policy. It is also very important to start planning ahead so that when the EB-4 process resumes in 2026, you can submit your applications as early as possible. While this temporary halt is a significant setback, it is not the end of the road. If you are really serious about moving to the US under a work visa, start looking for alternative pathways today.